Never throw away lemon peels. They're way more useful than you think. Before you toss those peels in the trash, stick around to discover how they can make your life easier and save you money. Lemons add brightness to dishes, but their peels have countless surprising uses around your home, kitchen, and even your body. Before we jump in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Here are some surprisingly easy ways to use lemon peels around your home. 1. Easy DIY cleaner. Forget chemicals. Before your next cleaning spree, save lemon peels and mix them with their best friend, white vinegar, in a mason jar. Seal it. Set aside for 2 weeks, then strain it into a spray bottle, filling halfway. Top off with water, give it a shake, and voila, a natural cleaner perfect for cutting grease and disinfecting surfaces. 2. Microwave and stovetop cleaner. Microwave some use lemon halves for about 20 seconds. Careful, they're hot. Then rub them over dirty surfaces. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. Everything shines like new. 3. Eliminate underarm stains. Got embarrassing sweat stains on your shirts? Just rub half a juiced lemon rind directly onto those pesky stains. Add baking soda for stubborn spots, let it sit overnight, then wash normally. Works great for grease stains too. 4. Shiny coffee pots and mugs. Instead of buying expensive cleaners, boil lemon peels in your coffee pot or kettle and watch stains disappear. Do the same for your kettles and mugs to restore their sparkle. 5. Clean cutting boards easily. Are your cutting boards safe from bacteria? Lemons can help sanitize them effectively. Sprinkle coarse salt on your cutting board, rub vigorously with a half lemon, rinse, and air dry. Your cutting board is now fresh and safe to use again. 6. Natural hand deodorizer. Ever had garlic or onion odors linger on your hands? Lemon peels effortlessly remove those stubborn smells. Rub your hands and under your nails with lemon rinds, rinse, and enjoy fresh-smelling hands. 7. Freeze lemon peels for recipes. Next time a recipe calls for lemon zest, don't buy a whole lemon. Use frozen lemon peels instead. Store peels flat in a Ziploc bag in your freezer. Break off pieces as needed, thaw, and add delicious zest to smoothies, desserts, or other recipes. 8. No more dandruff. Tired of flaky dandruff ruining your outfit? Rub lemon peel on your scalp regularly, focusing on problem areas. With a little patience, you'll say goodbye to flakes for good. 9. Lemon sugar scrub. This simple scrub will leave your skin silky smooth. Combine sugar, finely chopped lemon peels, and olive oil into a paste. Scrub all over your body in the shower, rinse, and enjoy incredibly soft skin. 10. Natural pest control. Pesky bugs bothering you? Place lemon peels around entry points to keep ants, fleas, and roaches away naturally. Lemon peels are like nature's secret weapon. Simple, effective, and versatile. Which one of these lemon peel hacks surprised you most? Or do you have another great idea for using lemon peels? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.